Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. We are going to do reading today. Let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is your textbook, Oxford Progressive English 6, and we are going to read Lesson 5 of Unit 1, named Different Places to Live. There is an account of 3 different places of this world. One is Venice, second is Brazil, and third is Mongolia. The lesson is at page numbers 19 and 20. Keep your books in front of you to get a better understanding of this lesson. Venice, a city of water. There are some words. Ferries. These are boats and ships. Echo. This is resounding of a voice. Trove is store of valuable things. Stunning means very impressive. Limit is to stop something, and congestion means overcrowding. When too many people are at a small place, there is congestion. Have you ever seen the city of Venice on TV or in some images? If not, then must watch it because it is really worth seeing. This historical city is on water. There is water everywhere in its streets and roads. Imagine. People don't walk there. They use boats to travel from one place to another. As this city consists of many islands, so there are many bridges which connect one island to another. Ferries and gondolas. Gondolas is the local boat name. These things are used for moving within the city. There are many art galleries in the city, and people all over the world visit this city every year. Sometimes tourists are so many in number that government has to block their visits in order to ease the congestion or in order to make the place less congested or less crowded. Second paragraph about the city of Venice is, let's have a look on its words meanings first. Devastating means causing great loss. Damaged, destroyed, and predict, forecast. When something is told before time, it is called predict. Protect is save, to save. In this second paragraph, it is told that floods usually come in Venice. In 1966, a horrible flood destroyed the city. A forecast is given that next heavy flood will come in 2030. Government there is making efforts to protect the city from that flood and to lower the destruction rate. Street children in Brazil. The difficult words are obvious. It means clear. Social inequality. It means when people are not equal in a society, it is called social inequality. Enormously means very much, and scratch a living means to earn money which is hardly enough, and sometimes it is not enough. Brazil is an underdeveloped country. It is very clear in the society of Brazil that people are divided at different levels. It means some people are very rich and some are really very poor, and they live their lives below the poverty line. It means they are very poor. Many people don't even earn enough money to fulfill their basic needs. The second paragraph about Brazil. Let's have a look on its words meanings. Illiterate, who can't read or write. Frequently, mostly, or usually. Violent, which hurts, and even beating is included in violence. Shelter is a safe place. Barest means very basic, and gigantic is very big. In this paragraph, it is told that illiteracy and unemployment are 2 major problems of Brazil. Children don't feel good in their homes, so they leave their houses at an early age because their parents can't feed them properly and don't even love them. These children live on streets and roads and become beggars. Some people help them, but government is not serious about these children and don't support them. When more people move from villages to cities to find jobs and work there, the number of these beggar children increases. Living in a jar in Mongolia. The words are apex. It means the peak or top of something. Radiate, give out or emit something. निकालना किसी चीज़ को. Obliterate is wipe out or cancel. Nomad. These are the people who are not settled at a certain place. They keep on moving from one place to another in search of food and water. Steppe is plain or a ground, and represent means symbol of something or to show something. In Mongolia, nomad people live in jars. What is a jar? Jar is a round tent of orange color and it has a hole on its top. It is made of wool and very thick and warm material. In severe winters, nomads move to some other place where they can find food for themselves and their animals. The plains are covered with snow and there is no food. That is why they have to move to another place. Okay, the words are cozy, it means warm. Great field wind is a wind which has very small stones in it. Scythe is a tool with blade. People usually cut grass with it. Ewe is a female sheep. Bareback means no support on back, usually of animals. And skilled means expert. Jar is a very warm tent. It is very warm from inside. Rugs and cushions of bright colors are placed to make the seating comfortable and cozy. Outside the jar, the wind is really freezing and it feels like it cuts and bites like a scythe. Nomads hunt and eat the meat of the hunted animals. They get milk from a female sheep. They have a stock of horses and they love their horses very much. They care their horses and sometimes they care the horses so much, even more than their wives. The Mongolian children ride these horses very skillfully and at an early age. I hope you got a good understanding of this lesson, and I thank you and wish you a very good luck.